Hey guys! Satisfy my ramen cravings with Hana Ramyun PH. So for today, try natin tong 4 na flavors na to by Hana Ramyun. So by the end of this video, malalaman natin kung alin yung favorite ko dito. First, let's try this black pork ramen. Malasa yung soup niya. May onting anghang siya, tapos medyo savory yung taste niya. Tsaka masarap yung noodles for me. Hindi ko lang masyado lasa yung parang pork flavor niya. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. Next, let's try this dried pollock ramen. I think pollock is a type of fish ata. Kasi may fish sa dun sa lalagyan. Very mild lang yung taste niya. Unlike dun sa pork kanina, na parang mas stronger yung flavor niya. Ito medyo light lang yung flavor niya. Tsaka medyo like fishy yung parang soup. I'll probably rate this like 7.5 out of 10. So next, let's try this red snow crab ramen. Sarap to. This one's probably my favorite so far. Lasang-lasa mo yung crab flavor niya. Tsaka hindi siya masyado maalat, so like sakto lang. So kasi dahil fan ako ng crab, kaya nagustuhan ko siya. Tsaka masarap din yung pagkaluto ko ng noodles. I'll rate this probably 9 or 9.5. 9 na lang, 9 out of 10. So lastly, let's try this red lobster ramen. Hindi ko masyado malasahan yung parang pagka-lobster niya. Pero mas muted taste siya ng crab. Hindi siya masyado maanghang, sakto lang. So, I was like expecting na maanghang siya, kaya hinuli ko siya. Pero hindi, sakto lang siya. I'll rate this also 7.5 out of 10. So, I guess my favorite is yung crab. If you wanna try a restaurant quality ramen, you have to try this Hana Ramyun, which is available in stores nationwide and probably in online stores. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching.